Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Mini Cooper tire. First, ensure you have your spare tire, jack, lug wrench, and the owner's manual. Find a safe, level spot away from traffic to park your car. Engage the parking brake firmly and place wheel chocks behind the wheels diagonally opposite the flat tire. This preparation is crucial for your safety and to prevent the car from rolling during the process. Taking these initial steps correctly makes the entire tire change much smoother and safer for everyone involved. Now let's get those lug nuts ready. Before lifting the car, use your lug wrench to turn the lug nuts counterclockwise about 1/4 of a turn. They should be loose but not removed. Next, locate the correct jack point on your Mini Cooper, usually indicated in your owner's manual. Carefully position the jack and begin to raise the vehicle. Lift it high enough so the flat tire is completely clear of the ground, allowing easy removal and replacement. With the car lifted, you can now fully remove the lug nuts and carefully take off the flat tire. Set it aside in a safe place. Now, align your spare tire with the wheel studs and carefully slide it onto the hub. Once the spare is in place, hand tighten the lug nuts back onto the studs. Make sure they are snug, but do not fully tighten them yet, as we will do that once the car is back on the ground. Finally, carefully lower your Mini Cooper back to the ground. Once the car is fully down, use your lug wrench to tighten the lug nuts completely. It's best to tighten them in a star pattern to ensure even pressure. Double-check all nuts to confirm they are secure. Remember to check the tire pressure of your spare and get your flat tire repaired or replaced as soon as possible. Also, for other great deals and to make meal prep easy, check out the link in the description for leak-proof containers and more helpful products.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.